All right, we just installed a little diesel heater in here to kind of help offset on the propane. And so far this little booger is working pretty good. Just gave it a test run, make sure everything's going to be okay. It holds about a gallon of diesel fuel. And I got it tied into the heater blower so it goes throughout the RV. I gotta put some tape right there and seal that up, and it'll be fine. It's not that cold, but mainly wanted to see how this thing was going to work. It runs off the igniter and all the electronic stuff. Had to hook up to a 12-volt power source, and there's the exhaust right there. It's on the bottom, so I had to fix on these 2x and build it up so I could hook up the exhaust up under there and the intake, and there's a little muffler. So yay us. So if you're looking for some other alternative to put out, this is the, what is this thing? This is the 8,000 watt version there. So it does come with a remote control, so you can start it inside. Don't have to come out here when it's freezing cold. And all right, see how it does when it gets really cold this week. And I think it's supposed to run about what, 5-6 hours on a wide open on a gallon of diesel, so that's not too bad. So if you're looking for something to help offset the propane in your RV, if you hadn't already, try a little diesel heater. I think we got this one off Amazon. It wasn't too expensive either. Easy to put together. No problem. All I had to do was put the exhaust intake and the vent tube for the hot air to go wherever you want it to go, and fill it full. Voila. Yeah, then the little fuel pump thing, you can hear it, but when I shut this door and get inside the RV, you can't even tell it's running. All right, there you go. Diesel heater for the RV.